Screenshots are incredibly useful for a variety of reasons. They can help you save important information, share screen content with others, or document a process step by step. Windows provides several built-in tools for capturing screenshots, each with its own unique features. In this guide, we'll explore these tools and how to use them effectively. The simplest way to take a screenshot on Windows is by using the print screen, PRT-SCN key. Here's how you can do it. Full screen screenshot, press the PRT-SCN key. This captures the entire screen and copies it to the clipboard. You can paste it into an image editor like Paint by pressing Ctrl+V, then save the file. Active window screenshot. To capture only the active window, press Alt plus PRT-SCN. This copies the window to the clipboard, which you can then paste into an image editor. Save screenshot automatically. If you want to save the screenshot directly to a file, press Windows key plus PRT-SCN. This will save the screenshot to the Screenshots folder within the Pictures directory. The Snipping Tool is a versatile screenshot utility that allows you to capture different types of snips. Here's how to use it. Open Snipping Tool. Search for Snipping Tool in the Start menu and open it. Choose Snip Type. Click on New and select the type of snip you want. Freeform snip. Draw a freeform shape around the area you want to capture. Rectangular snip. Drag the cursor to create a rectangular selection. Window snip. Select a window to capture. Full screen snip. Capture the entire screen. Capture and save. Once you've made your selection, the snip will appear in the Snipping Tool window. From here, you can save, annotate, or share the screenshot. Snip and Sketch is a newer tool that provides more features than the Snipping Tool. Here's how to use it. Open Snip and Sketch, press Windows key plus Shift plus S, or search for Snip and Sketch in the Start menu. Choose Snip Type. The screen will dim, and a small menu will appear at the top offering these options: rectangular snip, freeform snip, window snip, full screen snip. Edit and save. After capturing the snip, it opens in the Snip and Sketch app where you can annotate, crop, and save your screenshot. Using Game Bar. For gamers, the Game Bar is a convenient tool for capturing screenshots during gameplay. Open Game Bar. Press Windows key plus G to open the Game Bar. Take a screenshot. Click on the camera icon or press Windows key plus Alt plus PRT-SCN to capture the screen. Find your screenshot. Screenshots taken with Game Bar are saved in the Captures folder within the Videos directory. Third-party applications. If you need more advanced screenshot capabilities, several third-party applications can help. Greenshot offers a wide range of features, including capturing entire web pages, annotating and sending screenshots directly to the cloud. Snagit, a premium tool that provides advanced editing options, templates for creating tutorials and video recording features. Saving and editing screenshots. Windows provides built-in tools to save and edit your screenshots. Here are some tips. Saving screenshots. Use Paint or Photos app to open and save your screenshots in different formats. Editing screenshots. Both Snip and Sketch and Paint allow basic editing like cropping, highlighting, and adding text. For more advanced editing, consider using software like Photoshop or GIMP. FAQ, where are my screenshots saved? Screenshots taken with Windows. Key plus PRT-SCN are saved in the Screenshots folder in the Pictures directory. Screenshots taken with Game Bar are saved in the Captures folder within the Videos directory. How can I take a screenshot of a specific window? Use Alt plus PRT-SCN to capture the active window. This copies the screenshot to your clipboard, which you can then paste into an image editor. Can I take a screenshot using a keyboard shortcut? Yes. Various shortcuts include PRT-SCN for a full screen screenshot, Alt plus PRT-SCN for the active window, Windows key plus PRT-SCN to save the screenshot directly to a file, Windows key plus Shift plus S for Snip and Sketch. What should I do if the print screen key doesn't work? Ensure your keyboard is functioning correctly and that no other software is intercepting the key press. Alternatively, use Snip and Sketch or the Snipping Tool for taking screenshots. Are there any advanced tools for taking and editing screenshots? Yes, tools like Greenshot and Snagit offer advanced features such as full web page capture, annotations, and video recording. This detailed guide provides everything you need to know about taking screenshots on Windows. Whether you're a casual user or a professional, these tools and tips will help you capture and manage your screenshots effectively.